This is a car audio amplifier using 12 voltage battery. Here written a PMPO 1000 watt, but this circuit can make 200 watt RMS. Here is 4 transistor can make 200 watt. This left side, this side for the inverter. I'm opening this screw. This left side inverter section and the right side the amplifier section. This is the speaker output wire, black and white. Speaker output. Now I have to check this transistor. 4 transistor need to take out first before someone try to repair this amplifier. I'm using 12 volts GND, ground is the negative. This is the negative voltage. The red wire is the switch. Red wire works as a switch, on off switch. I am using one 12 voltage transformer. Look, it's turning on. Turning on. I'm checking the voltage. Here is the 12, 13 voltage. I'm using transformer. This is the 13 voltage. This is the ground. Now after making the voltage, look, it's over. It's 42 positive, 42 positive, 42 negative. After inverting the voltage, it's make 42 0 42 voltage. 42 0 42. This section is the inverter section. This 12 voltage and this side got 42 0 42. The ground negative 42, positive 42. The inverter section is okay. Now speaker output, look, speaker output got 42 voltage, negative 42 voltage. All transistors are okay, no heat. Ground, speaker output got 42 voltage, negative 42 voltage. So I have to check the negative transistor. This side is the negative, A1943, negative transistor. This 2 is the negative transistor. I am going to check this negative transistor because the speaker output got the negative voltage. For this case, I am checking the negative transistor. This transistor may be short. The main transistor can be short, or the driver transistor can be short. Another transistor also can be short. First, I have to check the main transistor because the main voltage negative 42 come out. Now taking out the negative transistor. PNP transistor. PNP transistor. Two PNP transistor and two are NPN transistor. This pair is negative. Let's check the transistor. I'm checking the transistor. This transistor is okay. This one also okay. That means the main transistor is okay. So I have to check the driver transistor. I am going to check before take out driver transistor. Minus 42. Look, still got minus 41 voltage. So I have to check the small transistor, driver one. I have to check the driver transistor. For negative section, I switch off the power. Look, this is the base. This is the transistor base. Base leg comes from here and here. This one is the negative driver transistor. I have to check out this one. And for positive, this is the negative one. This one is the negative transistor, driver transistor. So I have to take out this one and check. Need to take out the driver transistor. I'm taking out the driver transistor. This one is the driver transistor. I am checking the transistor. Look, it's short. It's short. Transistor is already. Need to change this transistor. This is the driver transistor, negative driver transistor A 1013 1013. It's a common transistor. It's a now I am using another one. I take this transistor from one another old circuit. Now need to solder. Soldering the driver transistor. Need to put back the negative main transistor. We also can use another transistor here, PNP and NPN. The main transistor are okay, so I am fixing again. I have to fix it properly, otherwise I cannot use the screw. Then the screw hole will be displaced. Need to clean. Cannot set nicely. For this case, I am cleaning the board. Now it is solder. I am soldering. Now I can solder nicely. Okay, now let's go to check.